Hey guys, Romero here, and today I want to talk to you about how I anchor my PWC using WavesRX Trianchor. Hey riders, today I'm going to be talking to you about the WavesRX Trianchor. This is their stainless steel 5-pound recently redesigned trianchor that I've been testing out for a few weeks. I've been pretty satisfied with it. I've been using it in several different types of conditions, whether it's sand, muddy bottom, rocky or hard bottom, and it's been working pretty well. And as I mentioned, it was recently redesigned, so it's actually pretty easy to deploy. Not that it was hard before, but now they came out with a pretty cool routing system that makes it pretty easy to deploy and fold down. So for instance, right now, this is the method it's deployed in. If you push this up, it has a little routing system right here where it will fold down nice and compact. To redeploy it, you just simply pull this up. You help a little bit with the rail, and you just pull it up and it automatically locks in place. As you see here, it's 5 pounds, pretty easy to fold down, nice and compact. I like to pair this with the WavesRX Anchormate Bungees. It has stainless steel connectors. This one is a 7-footer that expands up to 14. Just simply hook it up to here, hook the other into your ski, throw it out, and you're good to go. So one of the things I really like about this is how compact this anchor really is. I've had several different anchors for different situations. They all come in different sizes, but I'm happy now that I could just condense to using one anchor in all situations. I haven't had any issues with it biting into the ground, biting into the dirt, and securing my anchor. So as you see, now it's in the compact position. You put it in the center of the box, put your bungee lines in here as well, and there you go. It's ready to go. Nice little compact storage box that comes with it when you buy it. And again, it does not take up much space. I like to hang out in places where there's a lot of traffic, and sometimes with that traffic you get a lot of wake from boats that are passing by. So to kind of secure my PWC from shifting too much and crashing into, my friend's skis that are next to me, I like to use this WavesRX 12-inch spike anchor and tie it off to the back. So I have the main anchor here to secure the front, and then this is a support anchor to tie off the back. I combo it with the WavesRX Anchormate, the same size, the 7-14 one. They do make different sizes if you're interested. I've been fine with this one here. And honestly, to store it, I just wrap it around here. And there you go. Now I have two anchors. Two anchors take up minimal space, and I'm good for pretty much any situation. So I highly recommend that you get these two. Let me show you something else of how great these are. Hey guys, I wanted to show you just how little space this takes up. So now I'm inside the GTX, and as you see, I can just simply set it there to the side. I get the spike anchor, and I still have all that space to work with. If you want to lay it down, it's for size comparison. Like, I always bring this with me only because it takes up so little space. And again, it's two anchors. So it's not just one. Two complete anchors. And there you go. Plenty of space for the rest of the equipment you're bringing in, or accessories, or whatever it is that you're bringing with you. So now you just toss it out. Give it a little tug and attach it to your PWC. And that's it. So now you are nice and secure. I generally park here where there's a lot of boat wake, as you see with the traffic. So I also use the WavesRX spike just to secure the back from the ski. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you the strength of the new WavesRX Trianchor and how it could hold 4 skis.